Here we go. This is Alan, December 22nd. This is Alan, it's December 22nd. I'm at Hearst Castle, inviting spirits of Hearst Castle to come through, leave messages, use this voice box. Remember, I won't hear you live sometimes, but I can hear you when I get home. So come on through, spirits, leave a message. This is your opportunity, your golden chance to do so. Are you here with me, spirits? Are you here? Come on through. I am upstairs in Hearst Castle. We're on the upper tour in the bedroom, looking through beautiful gold, beautiful art, beautiful rugs, marbles, everything here. My question to the spirits here, are there good or bad entities here? Are there good or bad entities here? Thank you for coming, spirits. Is there any regrets? Do you have any regrets? Any unfinished business that you'd like to talk about? Any regrets or unfinished business? Come on through. Let us know. Come on through. Mr. Hearst here, is this spirit here roaming this castle, these rooms, or any spirits of the family here? Come on through. Hot and cold running water. Those were all luxuries. They were new innovations. Is there any messages that you'd like to say to the world, to me, anything you'd like to just let us know? The dining room has a 27-foot ceiling, so it's basically 2 stories high. Thank you, spirits. We're now leaving the bedroom area, but welcome for you to come with me and continue to talk. But do you approve of people visiting here? Or do you like visitors, or do you not like visitors visiting Hearst Castle?
Someone's like this. I grew up to it. I'm such a silliness. I wish not to stop. I get this. This snowy always to the next. I prefer the story of you. See if must do. Not a wish now. Select of first see the might. And now will never
These are very old and ancient items here. Did these belong to you, or did they belong to your family, or do you know who these belong to?
the Lord, I give you so patient. Capture the dear gives slow, this has selfishness. Feast in a spear, so molly red. Still is no sister to split it. Allow stand of nerving like
Thank you.
I fair.
Thank you for coming through. Right now we're going. Oh, curtains, perfect. Oh, circle? Okay. Beautiful. Okay. Are you able to come through in your own voice, make a sound, a scratch, anything you can that's not on this track, Spirit? Anything you can. We'd love to hear from you. We're now in a study, or it looks like a library. Come on through. Do your best you can.
It's not snap. It's how it was snap. This up. Well, you guys are still the battlefield. Let's Stacy. Final defeat.
All kinds of subjects.
There was named out, there was our space, feeder out, left, and alive, the beautiful as left there, I stuff, does, but how you do this, life is now.
He wanted to take advantage
Given us salon, stop the waste of the
Thank you, Spirit, for one final message. What would you like to say? What would you like to say to the world? Any parting words? Anything you want to? Any unfinished things you need? If you're looking for the light, you're looking for love. What are you looking for?
Oh,